Sakpasi.
Well, go on.
Hey everyone, so today we just want to say thank you so much for
1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, wow. Maybe it's not a lot for you, for some of you guys, but it's a lot for us. And you guys are
Crazy.
the ones that, you guys are the ones that make that happen, because you make that happen like in less than 2 months. And something I never believe in. I knew we were gonna get to the 1K subscriber, but like in like less than 2 months, that's something big for
3 of us. But Patrick isn't here. Who knows where he is? You know, he's not beside us, but you might see him later on in this video. But yeah, like I've been spitting it for the past month that our goal is 1,000 subs by the end of the semester, and you guys did us one better. You did it with 4 weeks to spare. But you know, to get monetized, we need that 4,000 watch time hours. We're near 3,000 now, guys. Did we pass 3,000 watch time hours?
Yeah, we're in 2,000.
Yeah, so we just need like 1,000 more watch time hours. So guys, we need you to be like watching everything we put out right now, sharing it with your friends, and help us reach that goal. But thank you once again for 1,000 subs. We appreciate you. LC gang, big up on the sub.
Hello guys, Patrick here from Lifeless Caribbean. I would like to thank every one of our fans for liking, subscribing, getting us to 1.1k subscribers. Y'all just keep going at it, keep sharing it, and I would like to say thank you on behalf of all of us from Lifeless Caribbean. Yeah, show my utmost respect. Thank you guys, peace out.
And also thank you guys for understanding us, like, because we know we should have been putting video every day, but sometimes like things can be hard for us, and especially in this moment we are in like, you know, last month busy. And busy like with school. But thank you for understanding us, and we love you guys. Take care.
Big up on yourself.